गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम गं गणपते नमः। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम सं नो मित्रः सं नो वरुणः सं नो भवत्वरिमा सं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। श्री हरिं परमानन्दम् उपदेष्टारमेश्वरं व्यापकं सर्वलोकानां कारणं तं नमाम्यहम्। अपरोक्षानुभूतिर्वै प्रोच्यते मोक्षसिद्धये सद्भिरेव प्रयत्नेन वीक्षणीया मुहुर्मुहुः। स्ववर्णात्र समधर्मेण तपसा हरितोक्षणा साधनं प्रभवेत् पुंसां वैराग्यादि चतुष्टयम्। ब्रह्मादिस्तावरान्तेषु वैराग्यं विशेषणं यथैव काकविष्टायं वैराग्यं तद्विनिर्मलं। नित्यात्मा स्वरूपं हि दृश्यं तद्विपरिगतम्। एवं यो निश्चय सम्यक् विवेको वस्तुना सवै सदैव वासना त्यागः समयम इति शब्दिता। निग्रहो बाह्यवृत्तीनां समादम इत्यधिवते। विष्यभ्य परावृत्तिः परमो परतिर्हिसा सनं सर्वदुःखानां तिक्षासा सुवामता। निगमाचार्य वाक्येषु भक्तिः सद्येति विश्रुता। चित्तैकाग्रं तु सलक्ष्ये समाधान इति श्रुतं। संसारबन्धनिर्मुक्तिः कथं मेषा वितापा इति या शुद्धः भक्तो व्यासामुष्टता। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। भजमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 विष्णु नारायण 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 शिव नारायण 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 शक्ति नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण 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 गुरु नारायण नारायण नारायण। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम 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 कहो राम राम राम। पाप कटे दुख मिटे, पाप कटे दुख मिटे, लेके राम नाम। भव समुद्र सुखद नाव, एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम शांति सुख निदान, परम शांति सुख निदान, एक राम नाम। निराधार को आधार, एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम गुप्त परम इष्ट, परम गुप्त परम इष्ट, मंत्र राम नाम। संत हृदय सदा बसत, एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। महादेव सतत जपत, महादेव सतत जपत, दिव्य राम नाम। काशी मरत मुक्त करत, कहत राम नाम। काशी मरत मुक्त करत, कहत राम नाम। माता पिता बंधु सखा, माता पिता बंधु सखा, सब ही राम नाम। माता पिता बंधु सखा, सब ही राम नाम। भक्त जन जीवन धन, एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो, प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो, राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। Kindly close your eyes, sit calm and quiet, feel the peace within, joy within. Almighty Lord with you, within you. Feel divine presence, experience peace, joy, happiness, unconditional cosmic love. May the Lord be with you. May the Lord protect you. The Guru guide you. Sadguru guide you. Get rid of all your doubt, fear, confusion, unhappiness, sadness, worries, preoccupation, and fill your heart with full of love and compassion. Feel, I am the ocean of joy. I am the ocean of compassion. Infinite joy within you. Infinite peace is within me. Joy within me. Develop inner strength, inner courage, inner willpower, and experience the cosmic transmission of the divine energy. Become cheerful, peaceful, joyful, happy. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om. Thank you, I'm very happy, all of you. You know what we want in life? Peace, Shanti. The Shanti always there, peace is always there. You don't have to find out peace anywhere. You don't have to go anywhere. Just feel, open your heart to the God, and you will feel peace within you. When there is sugar, there is sweetness. When you're a human being, there is a peace. Peace is your nature. And who gives the peace? The God, Almighty Lord, Sachidananda. Sat Chid Anand. With the truth, bliss and consciousness, God always resides within you. Each second you breathe, the prana coming where? The prana is fed. Every day, the Surya Devata, sun comes early in the morning, and he says, my children, wake up, I am there for you. The sun there, light is there, no darkness. Darkness means avidya, asmita, ignorance, suffering, unhappiness, sadness. So light of sun, Surya Devata. Surya means sun. The sun God bring the light to everyone. Always wake up early in the morning before sunrise. And that energy manifests within you. Who is God? Where is God? God called Devata, Ishwar, Bhagwan, Satchidanand. Without the God, nothing in us. Even the plant, the tree, animal being, human being, the animal being who live. Fish cannot live without the water. If you take a fish out of water, how she make movement? So we live in ocean of joy. Almighty Lord is always within us, with us every moment. Have a trust, have a faith on the God. Doesn't matter what religion you preach, which religion you practices, what God you know, but God is one. He in the air, in the water, in the earth, in the fire, Agni, water, Jal, earth, the divine mother supply, everything what you need. The 5 element, earth element, Prithvi, earth, water, air, fire and ether. This element from the God. What happens? There is no air, there is no sun. Believe on the God. Unconditional pray every day when you wake up, pray to the God. Oh God, give me strength, give me courage, give me willpower, give me tranquility, give calmness. Wake up with a good spirit, with a laughing and joy. Don't wake up with sad mind and nervous and preoccupation. When you sleep, pray to the God, put nice mantra and sleep. The 2 point, wake up and sleep. That hour which you live, whole day, make a positive mental programming. Today is a Saturday. Make mentally programming from 6 to 6 or 6 to 10 and your day will be very peaceful, joyful, happy. Don't allow mind wander, a wonderful thing. Don't listen garbage, what is happening around the world. Worry, preoccupation. The TV and newspaper and all these things putting garbage in the mind. Be good and do good. Be humble and simple. That's why you need guidance from the Sadguru. Sat Guru. Sat Truth Guru. The remover of obstacle in your life. Giver of knowledge, giver of wisdom. I am very lucky. 1962 I met my Guru Satyananda Paramahamsa. 62. He is not physically, but he is within me, my heart. That's why I call Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deho Maheshwara, Guru Shakshan Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Guru is from a Brahma, who created the world. The Vishnu, the Narayana, who protect the world, and Lord Shiva, Karuna Sagar, he eliminate unnecessary thing, and Shiva, the trinity of that is the Guru. Human form, Guru comes. Today I want to tell very important thing for you, which I practice. Tell what you feel, what you experience. People read the book and give the lecture. I'm not that kind of person. Tell from the heart. There is one important scripture, the Hindu philosophy called Bhagavad Gita. Maybe you know. Bhagavad Gita, the songs of Divine Lord. Gita. Bhagavad Gita. Bhagwan. Lord Krishna his teaching to the Arjuna, his first disciple. Arjuna, his follower. There is battle between Kaurava and Pandava. The 5 brother and 100 brother. Kurukshetra, what better? And Lord Krishna give advice to Arjuna. I will request, if you are yoga practitioner, yoga teacher, my dear friend, read 12th chapter of Bhagavata every day. The practice that relating to the Bhakti Yoga, Yoga of Devotion. 15th chapter. If you cannot read whole chapter of Bhagavad Gita, at least one line you read and contemplate what you read it. Bhagavad Gita is a test of life. How the man should be lived freely, joyful, happy. How man can realize. The first chapter of Bhagavad Gita called Vishad Yoga. The first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Vishad Yoga. Vishad means unhappiness, sadness, nervousness, who cannot fulfill your duty, your karma, your dharma. There are battlefield. And Lord Krishna in that battlefield, the war remained 12 at the 18 days, 18 chapter. And that war is holy war. The sun rising, the war start, and sunset, the war stop. Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre. And that war between the brother and cousin brother. Holy war. Who can manage the kingdom. The first Arjuna, disciple of Lord Krishna, he said, I don't want to make the war. I'm killing my own cousin, my brother, my guru. And that Vishad means unhappiness, sadness, nervousness. You cannot fulfill your duty. This happened all via Arjuna. We cannot face the difficulty of the life, economical, social, personal. All this difficulty we don't face. We are just like Arjuna. And Lord Krishna sitting in your heart, guiding. The Guru guide you. The teaching of Lord Krishna, guiding to Arjuna. Be stand up. Feel God guide you to fulfill your duty, your karma. The first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Vishad Yoga. Vishad means man become confused, unhappiness, sadness, nervousness. He cannot fulfill your dharma and karma. So he teaching of Vishad Yoga. Then Karma Yoga. Karma, active. Karma, word, thought, and doing. What you talk, what you think, what you act, do good karma. Karma, good karma and bad karma. Satkarma and kukarma. Ku means bad karma. Do the good action. As a Kshatriya, there are 4 kinds of caste in India. Called Shudra, Vaishya, Kshatriya and Brahman. The 4 castes. Originally they create 4 castes. Shudra, worker, who's helping 3. Vaishya, commercial, business, all the things. Brahmin, the caste of Brahmin, give knowledge and wisdom. Shudra, Brahmin, Kshatriya. Kshatriya, warrior, protect. And Brahmin, the Guru, guide and inspire. The 4 castes are called 4 karma. There are 4 yoga. Karma yoga, yoga of action. Bhakti yoga of devotion. Raj yoga, yoga of rational. And Gyan yoga of knowledge. We have 4 kinds of personality. And that Lord Krishna explained to Arjuna, and Arjuna become medium, and all are Vihar. All the great saints follow the Bhagavad Gita. Hundreds type of Bhagavad Gita. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Shivananda, Satyananda, Arvindo, Raman Maharshi, Swami Shivananda, Satyananda, Sachidananda, all the written commentary. Bhagavad Gita is the original text. The Swami has to teach Bhagavad Gita. Everyone, yoga teacher should follow the teaching of Bhagavad Gita. Doesn't matter what you teach. We used to chant Bhagavad Gita before going to bed. 12th chapter. Evam satati yuktaye bhaktva parupasate e chapsam viktam tesham ke yoga viktama. 12th chapter we study in front of the food, and when you open, then food is in front of us. We are 108 Swami in the ashram. When I start teaching course with my Guru, 12 years, the Swami has to live 12 years with the Guru. 12 years, then you call Acharya, Yoga Acharya. But Swami Satyananda, he 12 years consuming 3 years. The 3 years equivalent to 12 years. We used to work 18-20 hours, 3 years. And after that, he sent the mission to Yogi Swami. So Bhagavad Gita, learning from the Guru's word, learning from the book, practicing, change the quality of life. So, Vishad Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raj Yoga, Sannyas Yoga, all different kind of yoga. But that yoga change your life. I am telling, every day I read Bhagavad Gita in my life. More than 50, 60 years I am living. My father is my first guru. He teach me Bhagavad Gita and the practice in ashram. Yoga, every kind of yoga included in Bhagavad Gita. My dear friend, must study Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, all kind of yoga explained Lord Krishna to Arjuna, so man can understand the divine mystery of life, understand the God, how the God works and how the God within you. God don't live in the temple or synagogue or masjid. God live always with you, within you. Believe or not, God exists. Do you believe in the air? Do you believe in the space, Akasa? Earth. You know, every mother is a divine mother. We have also mother, you have mother. We call Matru Deva Bhava. Matru means the mother. Mother is the first God. You cannot pay anything debt of mother. Look, 9 months we are in a prisoner. When the mother is pregnant, I know some mother is there. 9 months the creation takes place. Who is making that? Beautiful eyes, ear, nose, mouth, head, hand, whole creation. We cannot paint and making talk. God create the divine mother sitting in the womb of mother. That divine mother manifests form of Lakshmi, Durga, Uma, Saraswati, Mahakali. All the mother sitting, and they make the architect 9 months. Who can make this one? Can man make it? Even father and the mother combination they put. The father put the seed. Just like a mother is a land and agriculture put the seed. 9 months take place creation. Who that creation do? After 9 months, the divine gate open, and we take first breath, connected to divine, Atma and Paramatma. When we are in the womb of mother, we are little baby, 1 little, 7 pound, 5 pound, 9 pound, 10 pound. The first breath connected, and then we connected source of the divine. You know, you're watching your telephone. I'm with the computer. Computer physical, but all at different countries, different places. But current is the same. If power off, I cannot see, you cannot see me. That power of divine, the power you cannot see, only see the cable. God you cannot see with the naked eyes, my dear friend. God can feel His presence every moment. That's why I will request humble request, start reading the Bhagavad Gita and you understand what the yoga is really. Last 18 chapter, 18 days war, and last is sannyas yoga, moksha yoga. Moksha means liberation. To change the quality of life, Bhagavad Gita should come in your life. Yoga you teach, asana, pranayama, meditation, dharana, yoga nidra, cleaning all the things. It's okay, the physical, mental, emotional. But to purpose of every home realize the God who is within me. When I born, my body create. But when I come out of one moment, divine connected. When I die, my body remain here, but something go, that is your Atma. My dear friend, life is a divine mystery. Without God, you cannot exist. This house, this body is rented car, 50, 60, 70, 80 years. If you have the house, you have to pay mortgage, you have to pay rent, right? So what kind of mortgage you pay for this car? Body is a car. This house. Each time you breathe, you are paying the rent. The moment you don't breathe, don't pay the rent, and this says, my dear friend, you are not paying my rent, I am going out. That Jivatma, individual soul, live with you. That connect Paramatma, cosmic soul. God, cosmic being everywhere. Look, hurricane come, how the wind grown. Now north, west of India and Pakistan, now they have big cyclone. We have hurricane, they have big cyclone that destroy so many things. Strong wind, 200 weight, the wind. Air is the God, fire is the God, Agni Devata, Prithvi Devata, earth is God. God manifests through the element. Believe on the God, believe in the divine. Take your time to contemplate, who am I? Am I the body? Am I the mind? Am I the senses? Am I the intellect? Am I the ego? Then who am I? Then you listen the sound. That's why the first I'm chatting the teaching of Sankaracharya, Shri Harim Paramanandam Upadeshta Rameshwaram Vyapakam Sarvalokanam Karanam Tamna. This is the teaching of Sankaracharya, Jagadguru. Sankaracharya or forefather. We belong to teaching of Sankaracharya. These 120 sloka there, and we used to chant every day with Swami Satyananda by heart. Teaching of Sankaracharya. Sankaracharya himself, Lord Shiva. My dear friend, make life very simple. We try to collect so many things in the life. We have lot of hundreds and desire. I want. Desire unlimited. You cannot fulfill desire, want, but God give you what you need, peace. Peace you cannot buy any supermarket. Always God, don't find you always there. Peace is God, God is God. If you want a peaceful job, happy, dedicate to your time to contemplate, to find out, discover your God. You can be doctor, lawyer, engineer, housewife, anything you can, but be a cheerful, peaceful being. If you have spiritual wealth, most happiest person on the planet. Material wealth, you always fear. Close the door and make protection. Be cheerful, peaceful, joyful, happy, contentment. To increase your spiritual wealth, read the Bhagavad Gita and then change the quality of life. Sing the song which no one sings. Bring the thought no one thought. Do the thing no one do. Be original. Don't follow no one. You don't follow to you may. Don't believe what I say. Feel. Can I drink the water please? Little bit. I'm not taking cerveza. I'm water, agua, jal. Thank you. Water. This liquid, water is liquid. When you put this water now in the freezer, it become solid and become ice. And put the fire, it become vapor. The water you cannot hold in the hand, but you need container. And with the container there, but suppose this water, if I put in the freezer for 2-3 hours, it become a ice, become a solid. And then if you put the same water in the fire, it become it's a vapor. There is no form of water. There is no form of God. God is formless, Sakar and Nirakar. God don't have form. God is everywhere. God, every moment, God is live within us. So, purpose of life to experience the existence of divine within you. You don't have to anything happen. You don't have to anything. God will live within you, with you, every moment, every second. So, discover, experience the divine within you, God within you. If God is with you, Guru is with you, no one can make happy. You can have 100 children, you can big house, you can big mansion, you can millions of dollar and dollar paid. But if he has spiritual wealth, if you have tranquility, calmness, serenity, give smiling, everyone go smiling, be happy. I'm not giving anything new thing. The same thing repeated. In my sannyas life, it be 60 years. 60 years. 45 years before I leave my country, India. I'm Indian, I'm proud. I practice Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana means there is no end and no beginning. Religion of human being. Satya, Prem, Karuna. Satya, the truth. Prem, cosmic love. Karuna, compassion. That is spiritual way. Satya, Prem, Karuna. 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 Your wealth is truth. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Satyam, Vadam, Dharmam, Chara. Any condition, don't lie. One lie, that you have to be 100 lie. Satya, your life should be truth. Love. The love means unconditional cosmic love. You know, I have 5 mango tree. Every time mango ready, it fell down. And the mango says, the mango mother, eat my son. The mango fruits come. Carmen, come, I give a mango Wednesday. The mango down. Attachment, there's no mango tree, their children, their attachment. The mango come and we eat. Sometimes mango eat up, so we throw and mango come. Selfless love, that divine love. Nature give us love. Sun give without expectation. Sun give sunlight, he asks something you. Air to breathe, air ask you something. Now, crazy thing people have done and now the corona started. Change the karuna and karuna. Change corona and karuna. Have a faith, confidence, willpower, take a nice food, do exercise, do pranayama, do neti, follow personal discipline, corona will disappear automatically. The fearful, unhappy man being more the symptom of corona. I have both vaccine. I never had any kind of difficulty. Take a fresh air, take a nice food, talk nicely, listen nicely, look nicely. Adharam Madhuram means mouth has given you talk nicely. Don't worry about the corona. Let karuna become karuna. Fear enter in the mind. There is no medicine for the fear. There is no medicine for anger. There is no medicine for worries and preoccupation. You have medicine. Medicine for love. Medicine joy. Medicine courage. Medicine strong willpower. That collect good thing within you and then the quality of life. My dear friend, I love everyone. My good wishes always with you. You are so wonderful. I can see every face is just like a full moon smiling. I'm not saying everyone smiling, including Devananda. I saw his video, laughing yoga. I don't know who made the video. I saw, and Facebook his video was wonderful. Smiling don't cost. Peace, shanti don't cost. But talking bad other people, listening bad is costly. Don't give your ear to listen garbage thing. My dear friend, conclusion. Reorganize your mind, your emotion, feeling. Peace is within you. Don't allow negative thing change your life. Don't someone can say you. Someone's your donkey or monkey, you don't have four legs and you don't have tail. They can see, they can tell you a donkey, they can say a monkey. If the monkey says, you don't have to worry. One time, Lord Buddha was sitting in meditation and he was giving his disciple the bhikshuka. The one person went to see him and he said, Buddha, you are a wonderful person, but I want to tell you something you don't like. 45 minutes, that man talking very bad thing about Buddha. And the man tired to talking bad thing. And he asked Buddha, you don't feel anything I'm taking a bad thing? And Buddha said to him, you are giving but I'm not receiving. You saying bad thing for my body but I'm not the body. In the state of nirvana, someone can give bad thing but not receiving. Don't influence negative thing other person. Don't influence other people with a negative thing. Be good and do good. The teaching of Swami Shivananda. Be humble, be simple. You respect it, respect. Follow simple thing, bring every life, change the quality of life. Now, I like one kirtan about my Guru, your Guru. गुरु हमारे मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारे प्राण, सारे विश्व का वह है दाता नारायण भगवान। गुरु हमारे मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारे प्राण, सारे विश्व का वह है दाता नारायण भगवान। नारायण भगवान, नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारे तन मन सब है, गुरु हमारे प्राण, सारे विश्व का वह है दाता नारायण भगवान, नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारे तन मन सब है, गुरु हमारे प्राण, सारे विश्व का वह है दाता नारायण भगवान। You know, sometimes I come in emotion and generally emotion I sing. Every day I get up 4 in the morning. I do meditation and 4 to 6 is my time. And I feel so happy in the life God has. Look, you know, this is my uncle, Lord Sri Ganesha. Always, if you don't have anything to do, repeat the mantra Om Gam Ganapate Namaha, Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Lord Ganesha, son of Shiva and Shakti, Shiva and Parvati, remove obstacle and difficulty. Bring in your life divine, free from obstacle and difficulty, worries and preoccupation. Life with joy, life with peace, life with happiness. Live right now. Now, each one has to sing different mantra 30 seconds. Starting from Carlita, Carla Patricia. Sing 30 seconds, one mantra. Any mantra, quickly, 1, 2, 3. Continue.
Om Trayambakam Jayamahe Surari Push Divadona Urva Rukavida Brandanam Ichor Muchi Amrita.
Time out. Thank you, Devananda.
Om Ganapataye Namaha. Om Ganapataye Namaha.
Time out. Dilavati. Time out. I'm going to make a CD, 21 million of this one today song, and this CD will cost $21,000, and we give everyone 21 to everyone, and we'll send 10 million to everyone CD. We send no. They will have multi-million everyone. Divya Jyoti, Divya. Quickly.
Jaya Bolo Satyananda Jaya Nandane Jaya Bolo Satyananda Jaya
Time out, Ram Rahim, Guru Brahma.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu.
No. Ram Rahim.
Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmi Sri Guruve Namaha.
Muy bien, gracias, Rodrigo.
Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Vidyorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Time out. Mother and son. Om Namah Shivaya. Both together.
Om Namah
Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
Time out, huh?
Esme.
Okay, Jennifer.
No sound.
Jennifer.
Shanti.
Huh?
Om Shanti Om Shanti Om Shanti Om. Om peace. I am the peace. The peace. I am the peace. I am the peace.
Good. Okay, Karuna Devi. Socorro. Ingrid. Siddhartha. Vinny.
What's the Swamiji? Any mantra?
Any mantra.
Om Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana. Where is your daughter? She can sing.
Oh, she's not here.
She's not here, no. But she called me telephone this morning. She called me telephone. She had the telephone. Her telephone called daddy, daddy.
I know.
Okay. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you, everyone. The important thing I'm going to tell you. What is your personality? What kind of person you are? Think on that one. Are you a dynamic person? Are you emotional person? Rational person? A psychic person? Intellectual person? Find out what kind of person you are. If you are dynamic, predominantly karma yoga. Emotional personality, you should practice predominantly bhakti yoga. Rational as psychic temperament, you practice Raj yoga predominantly. And if you are intellectual, practice Jnana yoga. 4 kind of yoga, 4 kind of personality. Doesn't matter who you are. Sometimes you're dynamic, sometimes emotional, sometimes rational, sometimes intellectual, sometimes devotional. According to your nature, if you practice yoga, then you enter your destination. To integral yoga, we teach integral yoga. Oh, Vinny, come. Oh, sing one kirtan for me. Any kirtan, doesn't matter. 30 seconds. No sound, not listening. No sound is not coming. Okay, Karuna, chalo, sing.
What do you want me to sing?
Sing
I
what?
did not-
Sing anything. What you want to sing? Sing.
Om Guru Bhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Na Prachodayate.
Gracias. Time out. So I was talking about 4 kind of personality, 4 kind of nature. Karma yoga, dynamic personality. Bhakti yoga, emotional or devotional personality. Raj yoga, are you ready to sing? Anashakti? Okay, time out. Raj yoga, rational or psychic temperament. The intellectual person, Jnana yoga. Jnana yoga, who am I? What is my nature? What is my purpose in life? Thinking, intellect, mind. So 4 kind of personality, 4 kind of yoga. Find out what kind of nature you are. You're dynamic, emotional, rational, psychic, or intellectual. According to your temperament, you practice yoga, then you can start your inner journey. Integral yoga, integral personality. We have integral personality. Some are very dynamic. Sometimes you are very intellectual. Sometimes you are dynamic. Sometimes emotional. According to personality, if you practice yoga, then you lead your inner journey. Yoga, only one. Yoga of joy, yoga of happiness, yoga of love, yoga of compassion, yoga of harmony. God has given you wonderful mouth to talk and eat. Bad eating and bad talking will create the problem. Mouth is the problem. If you talk bad, eat bad, then problem started. To a healthy life, control the tongue and mouth. Then your mind. The mind called man. Mind should be trained properly. A healthy mind, relaxed mind, calm mind, well-trained mind help your life and your other person. Mind you cannot see, but you can feel it. So there are 3 tendencies of the mind. Sattvic, Rasic and Tamasic. Tamasic nature, Rasic nature and Sattvic. Three guna. Are you Sattvic more? Rasic and Tamasic. State of Tamas, Means the person angry, upset, nervousness, and always constant thinking negative, means you are spending energy, lower state of mind. That's called tamasic mind. So most of the time, you cannot angry 24 hour. Can you angry 24 hour? No, but you can love 24 hour. So anger is the nature of tamasic nature. Rasic, domination, control. Raja, the king, control all person. Sattvic nature. Sattva, the pure nature of joy, happiness, love, compassion, harmony, tranquility. Cultivate wonderful garden of joy. And the flower is love. Love, prem. Unconditional sattvic prem, pure love. The mother and the son, they have pure love. So, find out which state you live. Sattvic, tamasic and rasic. I'm not giving advice to no one. You know much more better than me. I'm a totally ignorant. I'm a devotee of the God and the Guru. Children are ignorant and innocent. I'm innocent, servant of God and the Guru. I am sattvic nature, not rasic or tamasic. And my job give love, joy. But love, don't expect anything. That is sattvic love. Expect. God don't expect anything from you. He give. But when you expect someone you love, then you are unhappiness. Expectation cause of unhappiness. So, love without expectation, that pure love, cosmic love, divya prem, pavitra prem. To find out what is your more nature, rasic, sattvic, or tamasic. But I will request you live in the state of sattvic. Sattvic, love, joy, happiness, courage, willpower, tranquility, harmony, and peace. And your life will be changed. Today is 22 of May. Okay, before finishing, I have only 30 seconds left. I want to tell one funny story. Always I'll say till before also, but remembering. One person in India, in India they use a lot of motorcycle, they use everywhere, lot of motorcycle. They use the one person driving his motorcycle going very fastly. It was 8 in the night, darkness was there. Police said, stop. And the man was driving motorcycle, he said, go away, I cannot stop. Why? I don't have a brake. He said, you don't have light and don't have brake. Where are you going? He said, I don't know. So this is the story. The brake means discipline, anushasan. Our car, our driving, our life, we don't have discipline. That light means vision. We don't know which direction you are going. We are driving our life, but we don't know where we are going. So light and brake. You need your destination, where you are going. Life. Which your destination? What is your aim of life? And you need discipline, anushasan. Without brake, without anushasan, life is useless. So you must have discipline in life. You must have aim in life. What direction you have to take your life. So that's why 4 Vedantic subjects: Artha, Kama, Dharma and Moksha. Artha, Kam, Dharma and Moksha. We collect the money to fulfill desire. Artha means economic rasa. calm, fulfill desire. Dharma and moksha. Dharma means duty. What is duty of mother, father, brother, teacher, son? Son duty already come. The duty of tree to give. Duty of earth mother give, cultivate. Then dharma. But we don't follow dharma or duty, then you suffer. Or moksha or purpose of life is moksha, nirvana, anubhuti, self-realization, God realization. Before to leave this body, you understand, I am that divine Atma, the divine soul. I don't have worries, no preoccupation, no anger, no worry, no preoccupation, no fear. Become cheerful, no fear, no anger, no worry, no preoccupation. Be an innocent child of God. And if you're a child, God will protect you. God take responsibility. Do your dharma. Do good karma, good action, and go to the nirvana. Lord Buddha entered nirvana. Buddham saranam gacchami. Yogam saranam gacchami. Sangham saranam gacchami. Lord Buddha, his name was Siddhartha. He gave everything, his palace, mother, father, wife, children. He come to give the enlightened nirvana to whole mankind. You are right to be that Buddha consciousness, the divine consciousness. Life is a precious gift given God. Use this life to doing good other people and enjoy the life happy, happy, happy. I pray all of you. My good wishes with you. Now sing with me all of us. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhana Prutyor Mokshi Yamamruta. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhana Prutyor Mokshi Yamamruta. Om Asatoma Sadagamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Sarvesham Swastirbhotu Sarvesham Shantirbhotu Sarvesham Purnam Bhotu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhotu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Trayambakam Yamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarka Bandhana Pratyo Mokshiyamamrita Om Shanti Shanti Naham Karta Hari Karta Hari Karta Havikelaham Naham Karta Gurudeva Karta Gurudeva Karta Havikelaham Buddham Saranam Gacchami Yogam Saranam Gacchami Sangham Saranam Gacchami Om Tvameva Mata Sapita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Chasaka Tvameva Vidya Driyam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti Shanti Hari Om Tassat. Thank you so much. Lot of love and blessing. Un brazo. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Dios te bendiga. Amén.